Howdy! So this is a Tesla coil. These are actually really simple machines at their bare bones, so we're gonna break it down so you guys can understand it. At the heart of it, this is really two independent circuits that take power from the wall, in this case our variac, and transform it into the cool sparks that we'll see in a bit. So the first half is our power supply circuit. In this half of our box, we take power from the wall and we step it up to approximately 400 volts. That's more than twice or almost 3 times as powerful what's coming out of the wall, so don't touch it. Then we put it into the signal side of our circuit, where it uses some fun circuitry to turn that power on and off at just the right speed for our circuit to work. Now the speed that it turns it off, or the frequency, is dictated by our coil up here. This is our primary, our secondary, and our top load. And together these form what's called an LC circuit. It's a kind of oscillating circuit, similar to what you might find on a swing set with a set of swings. This circuit down here switches the power on and off at just the right rate to push power back and forth like you might push someone on that swing set. And eventually, once it does it at just the right speed, we can see that it actually ejects electrons directly out of the end of our probes here. And we get sparks that come out of the end of our test. We can also see that due to the magnetic field created around the Tesla coil by putting energy through it, we can actually turn on neon bulbs like this. And if you're not careful, they'll shock to ground through you, which is interesting. We can see that phenomena a little more clearly when we use this. This is connected to ground, and when I bring it close to the end of our electrode, we can actually see all of the electrons jumping directly to Earth, which is similar to the phenomena that occurs in lightning from the clouds to the ground. In this case, the high potential is the top of our coil, and the low potential is the end of our stick, which is connected through our wall.